Looking for the best smart door lock but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best smart door lock based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. SCHLAGE Encode Plus Century Wi-Fi Deadbolt Smart Lock Encode Plus Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock. This thing's great if you love tapping your phone to unlock. Perfect for Apple users who want zero hassle with keys. Works with Alexa and Google too for voice control when your hands are full. Toss in 100 custom codes and alerts for every entry. Parents and Airbnb hosts will love it. The touchscreen's fingerprint proof and the alarm adds extra security. Solid pick if you're all about smart home convenience without sacrificing safety. Number 4. Veise V06H Smart Front Door Lock Handle Set. You're halfway to the gym when your phone buzzes. Your kid's coach needs to pick up the team after practice. With one tap in the app, you generate a one-time EKI, share it, and boom, no detours. Perfect for busy families or Airbnb hosts who juggle schedules. 5 access ways, 250+ user codes, auto-lock, and Alexa voice control keep it slick and secure. Number 3. Veise V027K Wi-Fi Smart Deadbolt Locks. Struggling with grocery bags in the rain, you kick the door shut, only to hear the lock click shut automatically behind you. Perfect. This smart lock's Wi-Fi control means you'll never fumble for keys again, getting alerts on your phone the second someone opens the door. Got kids coming home alone? Set up PIN codes or one-time passwords for each, so everyone uses their own secure key. Families, pet sitters, Airbnb guests, this handles it all. Alexa and Google voice commands mean even Aunt Edna can shout lock the door without lifting a finger. It's peace of mind, delivered. Number 2. Veise V017 Fingerprint Smart Door Lock. You're juggling groceries with a sleeping toddler in your arms when you realize your partner's stuck at work. No problem. Tap open the app, send a one-time code to your neighbor for 5 minutes, and watch the green light flash as they step inside. That's smart access, designed for busy families juggling life in real time. The self-learning fingerprint and voice unlock mean you'll never fumble for keys again, while the anti-peeping codes keep your PIN safe from prying eyes. And with every entry logged locally under AES 128 encryption, you'll sleep easy knowing your home stays yours, no cloud risks, just rock-solid control. Worth every tap. Number 1. SCHLAGE Encode Century Wi-Fi Deadbolt Smart Lock Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt Lock. Control it from anywhere, no key fumbles or dead zones. This isn't your grandpa's deadbolt. Built-in Wi-Fi means you lock up, check history, and add up to 100 guest codes right from your phone. Perfect for busy parents, Airbnb hosts, or anyone who forgets to lock up. Quick install with just a screwdriver and it plays nice with Alexa and Google for voice-free convenience. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.